It's too simple to make an object rotate with code, so today I will show you how to create a 3D clock that rotates its hands in Godot without a single line of code. Let's get started. First, we open Blender and model a basic clock. The only thing to note in this part is that the pivot point of the hands must coincide with the origin. Export the file as GLTF and go into Godot. Create a scene and import the model. Create a material and assign the texture to the albedo and the fragment shader. Switch to the vertex shader, add a rotate by axis node and connect it to the vertex. Add a vertex node and connect it to the input of the rotate by axis node. Add a time node and multiply it by a float variable to control the rotation speed. And in the axis part of rotate by axis, select the vector 0, 0, 1. Do the same for the minute and hour hands. And that's how we've made the clock rotate without any code.